Well, I'd always say the most important thing with your car is change the oil regular. So I tend to say to people, if you're doing just around town, small journeys, stop, start a lot, 6,000 miles for oil and filter. If you're going to be doing motorway, 10,000 miles. You get oils now which say 18,000 miles. I would not leave that in my car. I wouldn't like to leave the same oil in my car for 18,000 miles. I used to change mine religiously at every 3,000 to keep it looked after, because the oil is the life of the engine. People think, oh, my car's driving okay, I don't have to do anything to it. It might drive okay, but if you think about like the cost of a service, even if you did it yourself, an oil and filter change, or if you're going to a local garage and you're getting like a big service, and let's say you were paying £150 and then for 5 years you didn't get a service, and you think, oh, I've saved all that money. Well, you haven't, because then your engine explodes. And how much is it for a new engine? How much is the labour? How long you're off the road for? Things like that. You have to take that into account. It's not cost effective. You're not getting the safety checks that you'd get on a service. You're not getting the economy without your car, and you're not looking after it. So when it comes to selling it, it's not a good car that somebody wants to buy because you haven't had it serviced for 5 years. And then what people think, oh, I've just bought this car, I won't service it. And they mightn't service it for 2 years, so it's talking like 7 years the car hasn't been serviced, and the engine will go eventually. It doesn't do it no favours. So best thing, service your car. People think an MOT covers things. It does cover safety checks, but it doesn't cover the mechanical of the car, the engine. It doesn't cover any oils or filters or anything like that. Any service items don't get covered on an MOT.